All right, what's up, everyone? So today, very slow price action again. We have no news yesterday, no news today, and price is just doing this, and not moving anywhere. But today we took an L, so $300 loss multiplied by 5, 1.5k on ES. And it's all right, you know. It just happens. Sometimes we have slow price action, but next time that this happens, I should just actually hop off the chart because price isn't going nowhere, and better no trade than an L, right? So like always, I'll show you guys everything. If you guys are enjoying, subscribe, and yeah. All right, let's just leave all of this. So as you guys see, minus 300, and it's basically nothing, right? We're winning 1k, we're losing 300, doesn't matter. Right there. And stats. So I took two trades. First trade minus 177, and the second trade minus 115, something like that. Let me just make sure. 177 plus 115. Yeah, perfect. Exactly. So right there you guys can see two trades, 293. Done. And Forex Factory, no news. So hopefully Wednesday and the rest we can actually have some fast price action, because like I don't care as long as I take my setup. I don't care if I win or lose. I just want to follow my setup, right? But don't take 3 hours just to move 5 points, you know? Just either give me my stop loss or my take profit. So yeah, I took two trades, one on ES, one on NQ, so I'll show you guys both. And I'll show you guys something that maybe we could have won the trade, so yeah. Let's start. So Asia high, Asia low, London low, London high. Go on the 4 hour, I've seen this gap right there. On the 1 hour, we adjust it, so it goes right there, because you slide it over, right? Then on the 1 hour, we had this right there. 30-minute, this looks good, and then 5 minutes. Already you can see 11:30, we filled in this gap, then rejected. So that's nice that I know what I'm marking. But I don't even know, maybe someone important spoke, or like Trump, because we had no news, and 11:30 just wicked all the way down and then flew up, right? Regardless, I wasn't on the chart after 11:30, so doesn't matter. So yeah, I'll show you guys the trade. 9:30 doesn't matter. 9:35 we closed right at London high, so from there I'm waiting just to confirm that this is where price want to go. 9:40 we went down, so I'm like, okay, perfect. At the pullback, I'm getting in a short, so I got into a short. From there I'm just waiting, as you guys can see here below. So 9:45 I'm in, 9:50 I'm waiting, 9:55, then 10 starts and we're still below the session, so I'm like, okay, we should maybe start going down. We're not going down, we're just legit not moving, right? 10:10 we break above and we close above. From there I just close my position right away, so which led to a minus 177, right? From there I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go check what's NQ doing, but of course on mini NQ, because I'm not gonna risk all that. And on mini NQ I wasn't even risking that much. I was risking 150 to make 300, just to wipe out the loss and be in a little bit of profit. But as we see later on, this could have been a potential trade. So the gap that I marked, that I showed you guys, 1040, 1045, just to make sure, 1050. Could have been a nice trade. But regardless, I wouldn't have took it because I already took my one trade. Why did I take another trade is because I'm allowed 300 for the day, right? Often minus 300. So I was like, okay, I'll just go check NQ if it's moving a little bit faster or whatever. So yeah. But this could have been a nice trade. But even if I took it, I wouldn't have known that 11:30 this would have happened, right? So yeah, I mean, price action was just slow regardless, doesn't matter. Those days like that, I should just not trade, to be honest. Mini NQ, let's just make it simple and quick. $30, perfect, 5 minutes. Mini NQ, same thing. Once I close once I closed my position on ES, I went to NQ. Okay, then I seen it's just like so obvious, right? 10.15, 10.20, 10.25, just all holding above the London session. So from there, and so much rejection, as you guys can see. From there, I was like, all right, we're definitely getting it. So I risked NQ long. Where is it? 50 point for 100, like that, right? I was like, okay, so if I do this, I wipe out my loss and I get a little bit of profit. But if price goes up, we should at least go to this gap that I marked. So I was aiming right there. Regardless, if I was aiming for a 1 to 2, it wouldn't have got hit regardless. So yeah. From there, I don't remember exactly, but I think around 10:20 I was in, and I just left. I went about my day and just left the trade. Either I lose 150, which ended up being a 115 loss, so even better for me. And yeah, price just ranging, and then I take an L about 10.55, and from there I took my maximum loss for the day and just hopped off. Honestly, there's nothing that I can see that made sense today. And if there's any trade that would have made sense, it's after 11, so I wasn't on anyway. So yeah, we're still up on this week. Just hopefully we have more cleaner price action and faster price action tomorrow. And yeah, so we can start, actually making money. That's about the recap for today. But so one thing that I'll do better is stick with my one trade. Yes, I'm allowed to lose 300, but when I saw price action like that, I should have just closed and if anything stayed on ES. Because if I would have catched this would have been way better than taking another trade on NQ. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So see you guys tomorrow.